got on the M1 at Meadowhall, and it's that time of week for Scotland again. And I love doing Scotland. My favourite place. There's no traffic. It's a beautiful day, sun shining, blue skies, and we're going to make a vlog because we've got some beauties we're delivering today. A nice BSA Gold Star, Rocket Gold Star, and a Gnome Dominator. We've also got a basket case. We've got a basket case here. But we've got a Ducati 600 Super Sport, all in pieces, and a Suzuki GT 250 X5. Is it X5? X7? I can't remember. We're not in the big van this week. We're in the smaller van because we've had a problem with the big van. We've not had it long, and it's done 1,500, 2,000 miles. And we've noticed a rattling, which we thought at first was a timing chain, but we think now it's just the flywheel. So that's in having a new flywheel and clutch fitted. Hopefully we can continue with the build next week, get that finished and looking pretty. But today it's all about Scotland. Scotland's a beautiful place to drive, especially if you're driving up the west coast or quite far up north Inverness. It's breathtaking countryside. It's awesome for a tour, which we're going to do this year. We've got a bike to build first, and then we're going to do the tour on the bike. But touring in Scotland is like nothing you'll have ever done. Well, I've only driven there, and it's the most beautiful place I've ever driven. But to tour there, it's going to be something else. So we're going with a van, caravan, 2 bikes, maybe 3 bikes. Depends. I'm trying to talk someone else into coming. But if you wanted to do a tour in Scotland, what you need to do is get a motorhome, and then you can cover all of those tight switchback roads. We're going to be struggling with a van and a caravan to get around some of those corners because they are single track road and switchback turns, so you'll want a camper. I know a place where you can go and rent a top of the line camper. Beautiful camper. They're absolutely home from home. You've got central heating, you've got onboard water tanks so you can have a shower whenever you like. And in Scotland there are no laws against pulling up in a lay-by. If you want to pull up in a lay-by, stay there for the night, you can stay there for the night. No, nothing's not like England. You can just pull up wherever you want, wild camp. That's the thing that you need. You need one of those campers because they are awesome. Well, I'll show you now. Hey, down at my buddy John's, AFP Motorhomes. Have a little Scotland North Coast 500 trip. Look at that. It's better than my house. Absolutely beautiful. Custard and jelly. This is luxury. Full central heating in case weather's a bit crap. Full working bathroom, shower, toilet. That is absolutely stunning. Does that convert into a bed, John? Does that convert into a bed, that?
No. It's just a shelf.
So how many can you get in this? You're joking. Oh wow. That's amazing. That is awesome. So if you want to rent a motorhome, you're close to Sheffield, even if you're not close to Sheffield, give John a call. AFP Motorhomes. He is happy lad.
Alright.
We've got a passenger. We're off to Manchester, picking up Ginger. So I'm an hour and 10 minutes away from there. She's here. You look nice.
Thanks, babe.
Did you get dressed up especially to sit in an oily van?
I'm not being a tramp.
Ginger from Manchester. She's looking fine. Just don't leave her in the sunshine. She'll go all red in the sunshine. Nearly at first delivery at day, which is a Norton Dominator. Lovely bike, I want to keep this one. I don't want to break down on it, so it's no good for me. The guy's excited, he's phoned me 3 times already today. And we're 10 minutes away. Gold star as well. So fast forward 4.5 hours, 5 hours. Are you bored yet, Ginger?
No.
Yeah, you are. You are, aren't you? You can only play so much Ice Bike. 10 minutes away from the Rocket Gold Star, and I've been looking forward to this one. It's one of my favourite bikes. Didn't used to like these old bikes, but I love them now. And this one is a little beaut. I can't wait to see the guy's face.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear?
We've had a little break anyway, haven't we? We've had a break, we've got some coffee, although it's not costly, it tastes a bit. And it was £2.90, and it took me half an hour to find out where you put tokens. While Ginger were having a big poo. Ginger went for a big poo.
What did you?
She went for a big poo. I went in after, and it smelled like she'd gone for a big poo. Come on, you can admit it, you went for a big poo.
No, because then toilets were disgusting. I wanted to get out.
They weren't disgusting, there's a really clean toilet.
This time.
Hey, it stank after you went.
We have a different definition of clean toilet.
Do we?
Yeah.
Well, it was alright until you went in. I followed you in there and it stank, yeah.
That was the man before that.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we've got half an hour until we're getting rid of a Ducati and 6 boxes of bits.
The smell of fuel in there.
Yeah, well, that's not from Ducati though. So we're both, since what? When I picked you up, 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock this morning until now, and in another hour after we've delivered this bike, we've been sat in a van that has had a leaking fuel tank on bike on the Suzuki X7. So it stings. I've actually got a headache and a bit of a sore throat. Ginger's not complaining.
I actually quite like the smell of it.
You know, it's a good job.
It's not bad to me.
No, it's a good job, because if you put any perfume on today, you cannot smell that anymore. Eau de unleaded on. Eau de Shell Optimum. Anyway, we're nearly in Aberdeen. Had to drop the Ducati off, and then we've got like a half an hour drive to the Suzuki GT 250 X7 that's pissing fuel out everywhere. It must have run out, man. It still smells, doesn't it?
No more than you.
Oh, right, is it?
This one keeps farting.
Listen.
In the man all day.
Listen, I'm trying to do you a favour.
It's no favour.
It's just that fuel's
Stick
terrible.
My head right in our fuel.
don't know what she's talking about. You feeling strong?
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and
Yeah. So we're just about at last one. It's nearly 10 o'clock. It's not dark yet, it's still light. We've got Aberdeen Angus cows in fields aside of us. So yeah, X7 delivery. Smelly petrol buy. 10:05 we're arriving. 10 minutes. All the bikes are off. End of day at 1. Just got Friday to do tomorrow. I'm tired now. But it looks like we're at our Parkway Hotel. We're just driving down now to the hotel and it's on the beach.
Look at that view.
That looks mega. Oh, that's full, isn't it? Oh, SD card's full. Sorry, I can't show you what it's like. SD card's full. But that is.
That's pretty.
That's wicked.
Special, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's sea. We have to look out to sea.
What's the place called?
I have no idea.
I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush, every note I touch, I can feel it say to me, can you hear the symphony?
Morning.
Morning.
It turns out the hotel wasn't. We weren't in it out of the park with the hotel. Yeah, we're close to the beach, but it sounded like the gulls outside were having MMA fights, kicking each other's arse, screaming all night. But the result of it is none of us got any sleep. So we're grumpy. Ginger's really grumpy. She didn't even laugh when I threw seaweed at her this morning.
On the sea.
On the beach. But I've decided instead we're going from east side. What's that? To the west side. West side till I die. And we're going over to just north of Loch Lomond. And then we're going to come back down past Loch Lomond. Because it's a nice drive. So we're basically just turning diesel into noise. Just trying cheer Ginger up. That's the thing with Ginger.
What's the thing with
It's like it's like having a mogwai. With Ginger becomes much responsibility. I am not ready. We can't feed you after midnight. We can't get you wet. We can't.
And the sun.
Yeah, the sun. Yeah, keep you out of the sunshine.
I think I might need another one of these.
You what?
I think I might need another one of these.
Really? Want to get through today?
Yeah. Especially with you.
Hey. Hey, lot more than cheap.
Putting up with you all day.
Oh, editing that bit out. Wait till you get to Long London. Got a little smile on your face. The way you mess around with my heart. We've had a chance to have a little bit of a chill out today. Well, I have. It seems like work to Ginger, I think. I've gone halfway across country just to show you some sights. Nice sights from here.
Yeah, lovely. Beautiful.
And a nice meal in Loch Lomond Inn. Oh, no, sorry, in Loch Lomond. And now we're about 40 minutes away from Galashiels where we're collecting a Harley. And the Harley's going to Bolton. That's not going to be getting there while quite late tonight. They kind of dropped it on us yesterday that we couldn't collect the bike while after 3 o'clock. So to me that was just, we would have been there at 11. So to me that was just an excuse just to slow time a little bit and soak up a little bit of Scotland. It's not very often you get them chances, so.
Nice.
Had a little bit of a treat, didn't you?
Yeah. Bit of a day out.
Took some pictures, saw some beautiful locks. Although I was empty, so I did drive like a bit of a tip.
A bit.
A bit, yeah. I got excited. I like to get it drifting. They had another 2 bikes that we was going to originally deliver, but just how things have lined up, people are either on shift work or they're not going to be at home or they're going away for the weekend. we just won't be able to make it to them on time. So instead of going back with 3 bikes today, we're just going back with 1. But like I say, it's not very often when we get a bit of downtime and we can just chill out and there's no rush to get places. So like I said, to me this is just a break. Just having a break. But earlier Ginger said, what you said?
What did I say?
When you said I don't know how you do this.
Oh no, I don't know how you do this.
No,
My back's
don't know how you do this.
My bum's killing, my back's killing. Van life is not life for me.
Hey.
Is that a clue? It's just sitting still.
No, it's not. You want to try driving? You can drive if you want.
No.
Drive.
No.
So what's harder work? Sitting and doing nothing or driving?
Sitting and doing nothing. Because at least you concentrate on driving.
Alright, well you can drive then.
No, okay.
Probably a good job I've seen you driving. One bike stayed in one piece. But I look like a Meccano set by the time we got there. So we're looking at about, rough estimate, the last one's going to be about 9:30 when we get there.
Yeah.
No fuel stop, I don't think. We've got to do it on this fuel. And then, it's the weekend. We come to party. Throw your hands up. Come on, everybody. Definitely editing that.
Definitely editing that.
Definitely editing that.
Oh my god, there's enough.
Oh, for f***ing sake, that's definitely. He's just sat chilling. He's urban surfing, that lad. Don't put it back up. Try and waft him out. We've got a wasp invasion. Oh, it's got in your bag. He's going to be angry as well now. He's going to sting me in the face. We've got a wasp invasion. What's happened is we've picked up a Harley. Well, no, he's not just going to fly off now, is it?
No, but he's probably going to sting there.
Let's wait until he plays. As long as he stings you and he don't sting me, and then we don't crash and burn in flames. So we've collected a Harley, but the Harley is in bits. So we've got frame, wheels, everything's all in parts. We didn't bother filming it because it was boring. But I think what's happened is there might have been a wasp's nest in the garage it was in.
Oh, it's there.
Oh, he's going inside door. What's happening? Ah! He's behind me! If that stings my back now, I'm going into panic mode. Claire, just see if it's behind me. It went down here. Well, he's still in here. He's not got out.
Oh my god.
Watch it be down my bum crack. No. Alright. Anyway.
That's the third one.
So as I'm saying, yeah, that's the third wasp that we've had to evict from the big Bazza van. What is it with wasps? They're just flying. Worst thing is I don't know where that is, and it went down here somewhere. But it'll be back, so it'll be attracted to windows. Yeah. So anyway, we need to evict that wasp.
I just don't know how many more chilling in the back.
Well, we've only got an hour, and then we can just kick it out. What's happened is someone's like zip tied a plastic cover over the frame of the bike, so we don't know what's inside frame. That could be a full-on wasp nest. Not anymore. Right, looking back.
No.
Right? It's not this thing in eyes. Just looking back. So.
We're gonna see it in the back.
Ah!
We're gonna see it in the dark back.
Well, you'll be able to see it be flying around. Oh my god. Don't you sting me, you little Right, open window. First chance I get, he's getting evicted. me anyway.
Come on, stick the window, didn't we?
Ah! Where's that gone now? Ah! He's out! Oh, thank God for that. That fully landed on me.
Oh my god, I hate wasps. They're the most ugliest things in the world.
It's not how they look, it's what they do.
And what they do, yeah.
One once stung me under my armpit and it all swelled up. It was like a tomato under my armpit.
I
Only young.
I had one when I was a few years ago. I was just on a Milo in the sun and it stung the bottom of my foot, like in the middle of my foot.
It's got to be worse for you as well though, with your hair.
Yeah.
Bright colour.
Yeah, they always fly around my head. The bees are always coming from them. I hope that's the last of it.
I hope it is. What should be a full-on nest? Makes me right angry. Anyway, as I was saying, we collected a Harley Davidson in parts and we're going to get to deliver it about 8:30. We've got about an hour left. That's it for another week. Scotland done. Ginger didn't like it, she's not coming again. Yes.
I did like it.
No, you didn't. Who is it who sit for hours and hours? Hey, listen, that were an easy week. You want to come on one of hard weeks?
So we had some nice views. We've seen.
Yeah. So next week then?
I'll think of you.
Will you?
Doing your rounds.
Yeah. And Barry's happy with his Harley anyway. But for this vlog anyway, that's it, it's all over and done with. So what do we need to do?
Click the link and subscribe.
Subscribe down there. Click subscribe there. And you can see more of Ginger.
Or not.
No, she's not coming again. Never again. We've had mating gulls, we've had wasps.
Yeah.
Say now. Right, that is definitely time to end that video.
Should we just make here?
Can do.
Milk.
You can go in and get some milk.